bathing is not just fun. It's essential for your feathered friends. Bathing keeps your pet bird's feathers clean, helps regulate body temperature, and promotes overall health. It also mimics their natural behavior in the wild. First, choose the right bath. A shallow dish or a specialized bird bath. Make sure the water is lukewarm and never use soap. Some birds enjoy mist baths. Others prefer a gentle spray. Observe your bird's preferences. Always supervise and avoid stressing them out. With these tips, your feathered friend will stay happy, healthy, and clean.